Hi there, this is RI.B3 and here's a stove. You press here to turn it on. You have a big one, small one and a medium one. If I prefer the big one, I press here. And then you have a boost button here. So it's gonna get quick. Otherwise, choose this one, plus or minus. To turn off, press here. Underneath, you will find a oven. You turn this to the right to choose program, and here is the temperature. To open it, pull and close. To turn off, turn left, turn left. And you will also find a dishwasher here, under the sink, here. Push here. Now it's on. And then you can choose program here, to the left or to the right. And to start the machine, press here. To turn off, press here again.